heard, my name is Rispa. I'm the interior design consultant at L Interior Designers. We are in an interior design company that basically makes people's ideas and dreams of how their homes are supposed to be come to life. That's where I come in. What we do is that we work with residential homes, and we also work with offices and hospitals. Any building, name it, we can do it. So I can show you, basically the process we go through is, as a client, you come in, obviously you want your interior done, right? So you come in, you sit with me and a colleague of mine, you tell us what you want, I put it down, and from what you say, I create such images. These are 3D images of, okay, we had Teleyetu, it's a company we did, and this is a meeting room that we did. So your idea, I bring it to life in a 3D image, giving you color, giving you texture, giving you feel in all the areas that you want. Be it corporate, be it residential, that is what we do. The second picture that you see is actually the implementation stage. After we have shown you the 3Ds and you are satisfied with what we've given you, we get down to work in producing what you want into the space you've given us. So these are some of the images that we did. There is Swift Global, we did the interior. And also, this is a residential home, the 3D images of a residential home. So basically what a 3D image gives you is the color that's going to go into your interior, the carpeting that's going to go into your interior. Everything that you want is shown on the 3D before we actually do the implementation. Then another thing we do, we feel that interior design is a skill that can be shared. Being creative is not only to specific people. If you want for yourself, you have that bone in you that tells you, I have something that I can bring out. So we felt like basically, instead of just giving you the service, we can also give you the skill. So we started a training sector. We've currently trained 250 students. Me and my young self, yes, I have been a teacher. We've trained 250 students, as I told you. We train in landscaping, interior design, events management, leadership and mentorship, and also curtain making. Yours truly. Yeah. Okay, basically our strength is we have competitive prices. When you come to us, most of people think when you go to an interior designer, that's a lot of work. You can paint the house yourself, you can look for flooring material yourself. You think that going to an interior designer is a lot of work because it's a lot of money. But for us, we work with your budget. The amount of money you have, or the figure you have in your mind to have an interior done is what we work with. And we won't give you cheap stuff. We won't go to Gikomba and cheat you as in we went to Italian carpets and got this. No. We give you the quality according to what you want. Another thing that we have props on is basically client relationship. Mostly when you go into like a company, at the reception you meet a woman who's like, unataka nini? With us it's not like that. You come in, you'll feel like you've been with us for years. You'll feel like you're a brother or sister to us. Because when you come to us, we want you to feel like you're not coming in to just leave your money with us. We want you to feel like you want the work done and you feel like you're actually part of us. You're part of the design process. So that's our client skills that we have. And after we've done the work, we don't just ditch you and say, where's our check? Afterwards, we follow up with you, see if you're actually content with the work we've done. After some time, we come and check up if what the materials we installed into your home or into your office are to the standard you expected. Nothing is chipping, nothing is falling off, no ceiling is coming down onto a client or anything like that. So that's the upside of us.